welcome back to our channel. In this video, you can watch how the Saudi National Day is being celebrated in Najran, and I am sharing some interesting information about Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabian National Day is always celebrated on September 23rd, known popularly as Al Yawm Al Watani. We are celebrating the 90th Saudi National Day in this year 2020. It is really delightful to be a part of this National Day celebrations. Just driving around and seeing all the flags and people sometimes dressed in green makes us feel proud. As you can see, the roads and buildings throughout the kingdom are also decorated with Saudi flags. Green balloons and lights are handed out in parks and shopping malls, and most restaurants and brands offer National Day discounts. Every year there are lots of fireworks and could watch people participate in traditional dances and songs, but due to the prevailing pandemic situation of corona, all the celebrations and programs are being limited and are under a controlled situation. Now let me share some important pieces of information regarding Saudi Arabia. The area of modern-day Saudi Arabia formerly consisted of 4 distinct regions which was united into a single state by Abdulaziz bin Saud in 1932. The kingdom is sometimes called the land of 2 holy mosques in reference to Masjid al-Haram in Mecca and Masjid al-Nabawi in Medina. There have been 7 kings ruled over Saudi Arabia since the first king Abdulaziz. Presently King Salman rules the kingdom and the crown prince is Mohammed bin Salman. During King Salman's period, Saudi Arabia witnessed many achievements in various fields. The kingdom has made remarkable political, social, economic and developmental achievements which are mainly the pillars of Vision 2030 reform program. Some of the remarkable initiatives put forward by King Salman include the Saudi intervention in the Yemen civil war, Saudi Vision 2030, and during his period, the right of women to drive in keeping with Sharia was issued. The contribution made by the Indian community to the development of Saudi Arabia is well acknowledged. The 2.6 million strong Indian community is the largest expatriates community in the kingdom, and it's highly respected due to its sense of discipline, law-abiding and peace-loving nature. India and Saudi Arabia enjoy friendly relations. The highly successful visit of Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi in 2016 and 2019 captured the spirit of enhanced cooperation in various fields. Overall, Saudi National Day is to celebrate the heritage of Saudi Arabia, to appreciate its culture and to promote pride in the country and its rich history. Hope you all liked this video. Shall be back with another new videos. Thanks for watching.
للمجد والعلياء مجدي لخالق السماء وارفع الخفاق أخضر يحمل النور المسطر رددي الله أكبر يا موطني موطني قد عشت فخر المسلمين عاش البني للعلم والوطن زارعي للمجد وارفع الخفاق أخضر يحمل النور المسطر. رددي الله أكبر يا موطني.